Welcome to this step-by-step guide on transforming text into an annotation within WordPress in about 5 minutes. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of logging into WordPress, navigating the site editor, and finally saving your changes so that your text appears as an annotation on your website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the WordPress homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on this login area is your first action. This step ensures that you have access to your account and can proceed with editing your site. After clicking the login option, you will notice an option that says continue with a major third-party provider. In this case, select the option to continue with a popular account provider such as Google and carefully choose the account you want to use. This method is a quick and secure way to log in without having to remember additional passwords. Once you have successfully logged in, focus on the section designated for quick links. Here, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you to the area where you can modify the content on your WordPress blog. This area is rich with options and tools designed to help you create and edit posts with ease. After reaching the site editor, find the portion of your content that you want to transform into an annotation. Look for the text or a specific paragraph that you wish to annotate. When you click on the text, it becomes active and ready for further modifications. This is a crucial step because focusing on the appropriate piece of text ensures that your annotation applies exactly where you need it. With the text selected, direct your attention to a navigation bar positioned above the editing area. In this toolbar, locate and click on the icon that represents a paragraph. This icon provides access to several formatting options, one of which includes the ability to add annotations. Selecting this icon will guide you toward the next step in your editing journey. After you have activated the paragraph editing options, scroll further down if necessary until you see the option for annotation. The annotation feature is located at the bottom of the available options and allows you to add informative notes or extra context to your chosen text. Clicking on annotation will transform your standard text into a more dynamic and engaging annotation that stands out on your page. Once you have turned your text into an annotation, the final step is to save your work. Look for the save option, which is usually indicated clearly in the interface, and click on it to secure all your changes. Saving ensures that your modifications are not lost and that your website reflects the updated content immediately. By taking these steps in sequence, you have now successfully transformed a piece of text into an annotation within WordPress. This process not only improves the visual appeal of your website, but also enhances its functionality by allowing you to highlight important information with ease. Every step in this guide is designed to be clear and straightforward, ensuring that even beginners can follow along and achieve a professional result. Enjoy using this powerful feature of WordPress to make your content more interactive and informative.